Hey, what's up everyone? It's eComics. And let's be real, who hasn't dreamt of being their own boss and making money online? That's exactly why I'm fired up to break down this awesome business model, Amazon White Label. We're talking about finding a product, slapping your brand on it, and selling it on the biggest online marketplace on the planet. Welcome to our step-by-step guide on how to successfully sell white label products on Amazon. Whether you're a complete beginner or you've dabbled in e-commerce, this video is packed with golden nuggets to help you build a brand and generate some serious income. We'll dive deep into each step, from finding a winning product and sourcing it to launching and scaling your business like a pro. If you're looking to start a lucrative business, this video is for you. We'll cover all the essential strategies, tips, and resources you need to know to succeed in the competitive world of Amazon FBA. Buckle up because we're about to unlock the secrets to building a thriving e-commerce empire from the ground up. This is where the magic happens, guys. Finding the perfect product is the foundation of your entire business. You don't want to just jump on any bandwagon. We're looking for untapped potential. Think about it. What are people already buying but aren't satisfied with? Where's the gap in the market? We're diving deep into keyword research, analyzing competitors and scoping out those hidden gem products with high demand and low competition. Remember, we're not reinventing the wheel here, just putting our unique spin on it. Stick with me and I'll show you how to find a product that practically sells itself. Sourcing your product is all about finding the right supplier who can bring your vision to life. And let me tell you, Alibaba is the holy grail for this. It's like a giant online marketplace connecting you with manufacturers all over the world. We'll walk through how to navigate Alibaba like a pro, find reputable suppliers, and negotiate the best possible prices. Don't be afraid to haggle. Remember, every penny you save goes straight to your bottom line. We'll also talk about quality control, minimum order quantities, and everything else you need to know before placing that bulk order. Now it's time to build your online storefront. Your Amazon seller account, don't worry, it's way easier than it sounds. I'll walk you through the entire process, step by step, from choosing the right account type to filling out all those important details. Think of your Amazon listing as your product's billboard. We're talking high-quality images, compelling descriptions, and keywords that get your product seen. Remember, first impressions are everything, so we'll make sure yours is top-notch. This is where the magic happens, creating a listing that converts browsers into buyers. We're talking killer product titles, bullet points that highlight benefits, and descriptions that tell a story. We want to make sure your product stands out from the crowd and has customers clicking that Add to Cart button. Remember, high-quality images are non-negotiable. We're talking professional-looking photos that showcase your product from every angle. A picture is worth 1,000 words, so let's make sure yours are speaking volumes about quality and desirability. All right, it's time to get your hands dirty, or at least your product in the right hands. This is where we talk about ordering your inventory, getting it prepped and labeled according to Amazon's strict guidelines, and shipping it off to their fulfillment centers. Don't worry, it's not as complicated as it sounds. We'll break down the different shipping options, discuss Amazon FBA fees, and give you all the tools you need to manage your inventory like a pro. Remember, a smooth and efficient supply chain is crucial for keeping those customers happy and those profits rolling in. It's time to unleash your product on the world. This is where all your hard work pays off. We'll cover everything from setting the right price to running those all-important Amazon PPC ads. Remember, visibility is key, especially when you're just starting out. And don't underestimate the power of reviews. We'll talk about strategies to encourage early reviews and build social proof for your brand. The more positive reviews you have, the more trust you build with potential customers. Congratulations, you've officially launched your Amazon White Label business, but the journey doesn't stop there. Now it's time to monitor your sales, analyze your data, and make adjustments as needed. Remember, the name of the game is continuous improvement. We'll talk about strategies for scaling your business, expanding your product line, and ultimately building a brand that stands the test of time. This is about creating a sustainable business that generates passive income for years to come. Look, building a successful business takes effort, there's no doubt about it. But let me tell you, the reward of being your own boss, controlling your income, and creating something from scratch is absolutely priceless. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips on selling on Amazon. We're constantly dropping new content to help you grow your business and achieve financial freedom. Good luck with your white label business. Remember, the only thing standing between you and success is your willingness to put in the work. Now go out there, dominate your niche, and show Amazon what you're made of.